So OnePlus is busy beavering away like a mad beaver on the latest OnePlus 7, and as ever it's reaching out to the community in order to make sure it crafts one belter of a blower. This time around they need a bit of help with OxygenOS, the overlay which sits neatly on top of Android and adds in a whole bunch of bonus features. We're big fans of OxygenOS, everything from the gesture control to the gaming modes, it is great stuff. Between now and Friday, February the 22nd, OnePlus is running the Product Manager Challenge. Fans need to come forward with a fresh idea for a great new OxygenOS feature, and the winner will actually see their great new feature realised in the next version of OxygenOS. This will be rolled out to previous OnePlus handsets and will also come freshly packed on the new OnePlus 7 when it is launched later in 2019. So already you'll be taking in lots of kudos and appreciation from OnePlus fans worldwide, as long as your idea doesn't suck, of course. But also, even better than that, you will be showered with literally 2 amazing prizes. First of all, you get to actually attend a special launch event celebrating the arrival of the OnePlus 7 and witness techie journalist types like myself draining the free bar completely dry. And even better, you will win yourself a OnePlus 7, one of the most hotly anticipated smartphones of 2019. So how do you actually enter the Product Manager Challenge? Well, it's an absolute piece of piss. All you need to do is head to the Tech Talk forum on OnePlus's own website. I'll throw the link in the description down below. And once there, you just need to start up a new post using the hashtag OnePlusPMChallenge. In this thread, you need to clearly and succinctly explain your idea. Remember that it should ideally be a brand new feature as well, not just a mere tweak or slight improvement over an existing OxygenOS feature. You will then need to answer the following 4 questions. First up, who are the users? Will everyone be using this new feature, or is it for a specific group of users? Second up, what is the proposed function? So a straightforward, succinct, easy to understand description of the new feature and what it will do. Next up, what is the user value? How is this going to help to save people time or make their lives a little bit less depressing? And finally, if there are existing comparable functions in the smartphone industry, how is your proposed feature superior? In other words, don't just wholesale nick another idea off a rival smartphone. If you are going to do that, you need to at least improve on it, make it better for the OnePlus 7. Don't forget to include diagrams where helpful, and also think about how your feature is going to fit in with the rest of the OxygenOS infrastructure. If it's going to break existing features and shit like that, it ain't gonna fly. After that deadline date has passed, then some members of the OnePlus software team will get together, check out all the entries and figure out which one they prefer the most. The winner will be announced around mid-March time, and then the software team will scurry off back to their lair and start beavering away on it, getting it ready in time for the OnePlus 7 launch. So there you go, best of luck if you do decide to enter OnePlus's Product Manager Challenge, and hopefully one of you fine folk will be the ultimate victor. Definitely let us know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to poke, subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech. Cheers everyone, love you!